Hey everyone, I'm going to drink me a banana. How I drink it? I'm going to make me a drink from this banana, using this banana to help the cold that I have. The cold, the flu, the corona, whatever I have, the flu. This banana will help me get better and stronger. It will release all the mucus out of my chest. And here's how I'm going to drink a banana. I'm going to peel it. Peel the banana. I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to cut the banana up, small pieces. Cut the banana in small pieces. Okay, the banana is cut up in small pieces, as you can see. I'll be right back. I need a fork. Oh, wait a minute. I could use a spoon. I'm going to take a spoon and smash up the banana now. Just smash it. I'll be back. A fork is more easier. I'll be right back. I'm back. I have my fork. It's right here. I take the fork. You just smash the banana. Smash it really well. Smash it up. Smash up all the pieces. The more ripe the banana be, the sweeter it be. Smash up all the pieces to the banana. Smash it really, really well. The more you smash it, the more flavor you get from it. The more banana flavor you get from this drink. It's good for upper respiratory infections, asthma, you know, this drink that I'm making. I made a video on this, you know, a few years ago, several years ago. This helped me more better than cough medicine. Cough medicine wasn't helping me. So I'll do this. Smash the banana. Smash it really, really well. And here I have a bowl. I'm going to put the banana into the bowl. See the bowl? I'm going to put the banana into the bowl. Put the banana into the bowl. And I have here a cup of hot boiling water. See the hot boiling water? A cup of hot boiling water. You see the steam? I'm going to pour this cup of hot boiling water over the banana. The whole entire cup. I'm going to mix up the banana in the water. Mix up the banana in the water. Mix up the banana in the water. Mix it really well. And now I'm going to wait about 20 minutes. After I mix this, I'm going to wait like 20 minutes. Then when I come back, I'm going to strain the banana into my cup. See? The banana, just mix it really well. And I'll be back in 20 minutes to strain the banana. I'm going to drink it. Drink it twice a day for 7 to 10 days. I'll be back. Let this stay for 20 minutes. Hey, I'm back. My 20 minutes is up. Here's my strainer. Here's my cup. My strainer. Here's my banana water. My hot banana drink. I'm going to mix it. Just mix it. It looks like oatmeal, see? It looks like oatmeal, but it's banana. And I'm going to put some into my cup, strain it. Strain some into my cup. And strain it some into my cup. And just strain it really well. Get as much of the liquid out as you can. You want to drink as much of the liquid as you can. This will bring back your energy from this will bring back your energy and release all the mucus, you know, out of your chest, out of your body that makes you feel bad and keep you coughing. Just strain some into a cup. Just strain it. Just strain it. And strain it into the cup. You get as much of the liquid out as you can. You want to drink as much of it as you can. Okay, I strained some into my cup. As you can see, some is in my cup. Now I have some honey. I have some, you know, good grade A honey. There's lots of different honeys out there. Here's a good one, grade A honey. See? I'm going to put some honey into it. See? Put some honey. Because honey is good for coughs, colds, upper respiratory infections, asthma, flus, things like that. Honey is good for. I'll be right back. I'm going to add, see, a little bit of nutmeg to it. Just a little bit. Add a little bit of nutmeg to it. You could add as much as you like, but if you add too much, it'll probably be bitter. Mix it up very well. See. Mix it up very well. And drink it. I'm going to taste it. And you just drink it. It tastes very good. Drink it. Just drink it hot. Drink it as hot as you can. It tastes very good. It tastes just like you're drinking like a cup of tea, but it's banana flavor. And that's it. It's good for all kinds of upper respiratory infections, colds, flus, coronas, pneumonia. It's good for these kind of illnesses. Help clears your chest, get the mucus out of you so you don't be continuously coughing. And here's my banana drink. And I think everybody should try this natural remedy when they're sick and they're constantly coughing. Here it is, all my ingredients. Until next time. Later, everyone.